This is an overview of the project that you're going to complete this semester. First, pause this video, read through the Word document on the screen, and then continue to play the video and I'll explain. So now that you've read through the document, I just wanted to point out a few things. The first item is that I want you to use proper function notation using the letters that I've provided. So your function notation will be b of t. The second thing that I want you to know is that you have to graph your function on a reasonable real-world domain and label and scale your graph. I'd like for you to use an online graphing system like Desmos, and I also want you to use an equation editor to type in your equations. And I'll take you through how to do that in a moment. Now, as we look at the rubric, what you're going to do is write a backstory for the situation. And make sure that you answer the questions: who, what, when, where, and why. Make sure that you use time in hours. Make sure that you write in your paper the correct function with your k value given. That means using function notation, b of t equals, and then whatever your equation is with the number you found for k instead of the letter k. Your graph needs to be embedded in the paper. Don't just put it at the end of the paper. The ending of your paper is your conclusion, a paragraph that concludes the story and the information that was found. A lot of students in the past have not written a conclusion. You want to have a proper conclusion and a proper introduction. Make sure your paper is in 10 to 12 font and make sure it's double spaced. So now I'll take you through how to use Desmos. You can type in a function, and using your mouse you can scroll out and get the graph visible on your screen. And then you can add special points like 1, 9, and you can click on the label and it'll put the label on the graph. Add another point like 539. You can add a horizontal asymptote, y equals 7, and then you can go to this gear in the upper right part of the left-hand information section and click the gear and edit and change the color, the graph information, or you can change the line type. I'm going to change the horizontal asymptote to a dashed line, and then you can just click done when you're finished. Then you can copy using a screenshot app. I like to use Snipping Tool, my screenshot utility. Copy your graph, and then you can open up a Word document and paste your graph in the body. Right-click on the graph and find Wrap Text Tight, because then it allows me to move the graph around a little bit. If you want to type the function in, you can click Insert in the menu bar, and then the equation button in the far right of the formatting toolbar. And type the function in. And when it's time to use the exponent, click the e to the x script button. And in the drop down, find the superscript power choice. Be sure to click the left arrow button twice to type the 2 and then the X in. And that's how you embed an equation into a Word document. If you have any questions about the project, please come to my office hours and I would be glad to answer any questions that you have.